What's up, everyone? We can check out some of these cars. They got a box truck right here. Oh, this is perfect. 3-seater. 3-seater. Not bad. What? U-Haul. Yeah. Box is cracked too. Yeah. Just a blemish, it ain't bad. Well, I wonder what they want that we got on the van over here, the Nissan. Does it say the miles? The Chevys always, these buggy eye lights always get the haze on them. 3200. They must have used, I wonder if they used this for, they got a lock on the center console, like you can lock it. Like one of those flat ones. I wonder if they did, they must have did deliveries in this. 3200. Yeah, that would be absolutely insane. They got a tow hitch on here. Oh, and they got like the little, you know, back in the HHR of the back, they got that on the window, the little cage things. It's on the windows. Oh, they got a divider. They use this for deliveries. That's why they got that center thing. Yeah, they got the divider right here behind the seat, so they use this for deliveries.
Yeah, but still 2-seater. We need to put another seat in.
There's no seats in the back?
No.
I ain't divider.
Lock one of my kids in the back.
Oh, yeah, no. See how it's still like there. They got the little roof racks on there. Joints, it does give off like it's tall.
79.
Yeah, I was like, it's gonna be something. It's 2016. They got a crack on the window. I'd be like, y'all gotta fix that windshield. The windshield's got a big ass crack through it. It's like something hit it in the center, you can see, and then it made the line go on both sides. We would need to fix that windshield. Like, I ain't paying y'all nothing to fix the windshield.
Yeah, that's another one. See, and then we have to do something with that wall. We have to take it down or make it different. Because once again, it's only a 2-seater. You gotta put a seat in the back.
Yeah. Yeah, it's easy to take out. See how something hit it right there?
Ooh, what's that?
What? Is it a cicada?
No, it ain't a cicada.
Are you sure?
It be making noise right now. Yeah.
I don't know.
I like this.
See where they hit it in the center and then the line went both ways? Like, yeah.
8,000.
Depending on the miles. Look at these vents. It's so crazy how low they are. Like, I can literally just look over top of them. It's like, every time I look at a vet, it cracks me up. I don't like the tan interior. T-tops though. $13,001 Chevy vet. All right. This one's gonna be, this one look like it's maybe a 90, 97. Tan interior. Got a little bit going on right here. The T-top not supposed to look like that. You can't really get to the front of it. This one is, yeah, I was close. 96 to 97. think they're asking, I think that's a 7998 on it. And the squirrel exhaust. Yeah, I don't know. It'll be like that. I don't like how that looks. Like they got the little chrome piece sticking out. I guess the rubber wore down right there. Yeah, oh, 7990. Dang, I was so close. I was so close. I said, I think it's a 97. It's a 96. I was like, I was almost close. Oh, hold up. Is this a Tesla? I don't like Teslas. Look, this is a Tesla. Oh, the green. Damn, they way up there. Yeah, I see a CRX. Yeah, this is a Tesla. 11900. This thing. Model S. Why does it look like it's sitting so low to the ground in the back? It is sitting low. Look at the wheel. This thing's not supposed to be sitting like that. It's sitting right on top of the wheel. Ooh, something is going on. It ain't supposed to be sitting there like that. Got a CRX. Terrain is looking crazy. What's going on right there? SLE. 4,500 on that. Really skipped over the Lexuses too. Ooh. I don't know what the dad going there. Ooh, it's missing the engine. No, that's the Camaro. It's looking different. Got the sunroof. What's going on with the trunk? LS460 got a little something going on right there. They got a price on it. No price. Maybe this one's not for sale. I gotta go back over here. We got another one over there. See something going on right there. Y'all, there was a wagon. We came over in the wagon. In the wagon. The waggy. Okay, $69.90 on the Chevy pickup. Let's check out these. I completely skipped over. 460, LS 460. An Escalade. Sunroof. Can't really see inside. Gray interior. Then we got another 460. This one's older probably. It looks like it. 2011 7900. Yeah, actually they're the same year. But this one is definitely, price is like cut in half. This must have way more miles, but better looking black interior on there. Black interior. Leather interior. They both look nice, but I like this one better than that one. Let's go over here to the Escalade. Check out the 𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘𝙘 Malibu. I don't like the new Malibus or newer Malibus, even though they don't make them anymore. And you got the gray interior, the clean wheels, a 16,500 2013 Platinum Edition. Nice, not bad looking. In the silver. And then the Chevy pickup truck's over there. Yeah, it's been a very long time, y'all, since I've done a video. So I'm gonna try to keep it rolling. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And let me know what your favorite car was out of all of these. I would say the Corvettes, even though they're regular. But I do like this box truck the most because it's beneficial for us, our business. So that's what we need right here. But yeah, you guys, I'll let you go. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But we are gonna come over here and check out the little. Oh, this is a Civic hatchback. And then they got a BMW. Oh no, this is a Benz over here. I thought I was looking at the convertible, thought I see a BMW. But yeah, all right, you guys, I'll catch y'all on the next video. Until next time, peace.